Chapter 31, Food Production and Animal Husbandry. As the name suggests, we discussed about the production, food production and rearing of animals for the purpose of food. As we know, ancient time, humans live in the earth everywhere. They walk through the earth and eat what they get. But as time goes, they gathered some places. You may hear about Harappa or Mohenjo-daro civilizations, etc. Around BC 1000, humans start to live in a specific place, and at that time they need to cultivate the products what they want and rear animals for milk and meat, etc. etc. Agriculture start at that time itself. Agriculture is a composite term that includes all those activities which involve appropriate utilization of Earth's resources for fulfillment of human needs of food, fodder, fiber, fuel, etc. etc. It's a composite term we use for almost all activities by using this term. In previous time, India is famous with about spices and fruits. All the colonial countries come to India for our spices and fruits and other agricultural products. Depending on our normal living style, agriculture is very important in our day-to-day life. India's almost above 70% turnover is based on agriculture and related industries. Development of agriculture and green revolution. We already said that above BC 1000, early humans started to started to cultivate the product they want. When the humans started to live together, they want to cultivate and rear animals for their daily needs. As time goes, it develops. The method of cultivation and the method of rearing all are developed. In previous time, there is only a few members in a place and there is a lot of area for cultivation, and almost all persons do the same work and get a lot of products, and only a few persons to use it. But as the time goes, the number of persons increases and the area for cultivation decreases. So we want to get more products from a small area. That is why we start research and developments in the area of cultivation. Around 1905 and 7, between 1905 and 7, there is a lot of agricultural universities started in the world. India also steps a big step in the field of agriculture. India starts Indian Agricultural Research Council. It is located in New Delhi during this era, and start promote the agriculture and related activities. After independence, India mainly concentrated on agriculture because its yearly turnover is mainly based on the agriculture. From 1968 to 1988 is known as golden age of agriculture, named as Green Revolution. A big agricultural scientist, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, led this project, and he won the World Food Prize for his effort. Actually, Green Revolution is initiated for the improvement of rice and wheat farming. But during this era, we developed all the field of agriculture. We start many new technologies. We introduce many new technologies in agriculture and start many factories to produce chemical fertilizers and agricultural tools, and start to help farmers giving loans and other subsidies. During this era, 1968 to 1988, 20 years, India attained a very high level in the field of agriculture. That is why it is known as Green Revolution. But as the time passed, for chemical fertilizers and pesticides we used to increase products is become very big problem. It makes many ecological problems. It reduces the fertility and productivity of soil. Continuous use of artificial fertilizers reduce the productivity of soil, and we try to enhance them also. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the improvement in the field of agriculture during the golden age at the time of Green Revolution, and also the after effect of this improvement, and how we overcome all these problems. Now also we are developing in the field of agriculture. Industries that manufacture agricultural implements, pumps, fertilizers and insecticides need to be established more. Irrigation and power projects are to be encouraged to receive regular supply of water and energy for farming. Research and development institutes are needed for the generation of new, healthy, pest-resistant and high-quality crops. What we want to improve in all these fields. Under the aegis of Green Revolution, encouragement of sustainable organic farming may be given as a part of awareness campaign in our villages as well as in cities. Now we are mainly focused on organic farming because we want to retain the productivity and fertility of soil by using organic farming. All these we are going to discuss in this chapter. It's a general chapter. We can just read and understand the topics.